What do a sleek structured dress and a cozy modern pullover and jacket have in common? Fabric. And today I'm showing you two completely different makes using the same luxurious, beautiful fabric. Plus, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway for one of Serge's fabric kits for the new Geneva jacket and pullover. You are not gonna wanna miss this. Keep watching. Coming up in this video, you're gonna learn more about the Geneva pullover and jacket pattern. You're gonna learn about today's $5 Feature Friday pattern, which is a first ever for it. Plus, we're giving away a fabric kit from Serge. And you're gonna see how I used one kind of fabric base to create two completely different looks. I can't wait to share this all with you. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, fabric. I know that with certain events happening in the sewing world, your fabric sources have been changing. And one of the things that I talked about in a previous video was that we have to start shopping online a little bit and experimenting with what's out there and what's on offer. And also realizing that what you can find online is sometimes it's way more varied and exciting and different than what you could ever get in a brick and mortar store, just because there's so many more options in fabric stores. And one of the fabric stores that we love is Serge Fabric Shop. And we've partnered with them for various things. I love a small fabric shop, an independently owned small business that is able to get me a curated collection of fabric. I don't want to have to scroll for ages and ages and ages to find my fabric. So one of the things that I love also is that you can talk to these fabric shop owners and say, hey, I really would like to have this kind of fabric. Is there any way you could source it? And actually, in another video that I did maybe like a year ago, I was on the hunt to find a dupe for the Spanx Air Essentials fabric. And Kayla at Serge, after a month or so, she found it for me. It's this spongy, luxurious, really high-end kind of fabric. And the Serge Fabric Shop, they call it Techno Cupro double knit. And I would compare it to like a scuba kind of fabric. So when she sourced that for me, I was able to make today's Feature Friday pattern and the Love Notions Constellation half zip pullover. And that was great. I loved it. It was perfect. But then just recently, Tammy came out with this new pattern and I was like, oh my goodness, this is perfect because this really is like a complete dupe of the Spanx set. So of course, I grabbed that fabric as soon as I saw it. And funnily enough, Kayla was sending me the fabric. So anyway, Kayla sourced this fabric a year or so ago. We used it for a couple of patterns. It was fantastic. And I knew that I wanted to sew this new pattern in this luxurious fabric as well. I think what I love about this fabric so much is the hand of it. It just feels incredible. It's got great stretch and recovery. It's able to hold up to pretty prominent style lines. It's not gonna get overstretched on you. It's gonna kind of bounce back and it's soft and spongy. And it's really a beautiful dupe for the Spanx Air Essentials fabric that everybody's been crazy about lately. So let's start with talking about the Geneva pattern and this fabric on the Geneva pattern. So I actually sewed my Geneva in the black double knit Cupro Techno fabric. It's sort of like a scuba, like I said. And I had ordered it without Kayla even saying anything to me. We had talked about making kits for this new pattern release, and Kayla just ended up sending me a kit as well. So you'll get to see that in a second. But I actually ended up ordering this fabric, paid for it myself, just because I was so excited to replicate that look using this fabric. So this is the Geneva pattern. If you haven't heard already, this is the brand new release from Love Notions. This pattern is fantastic. The things that all of the views have in common are a funnel neckline, raglan sleeves, and princess seams. So you can see these beautiful princess sleeve lines. This is in the black Techno Scuba double knit fabric. And you can see that this has like almost like a suede texture to it. So it really, even though you typically think with the black, everything, all the lines would blend in, with this kind of fabric, it really stands out beautifully. So that's one of the reasons why I knew that I wanted to sew with this kind of fabric, is it just stands up to style lines gorgeously. So some more details about this pattern: extra small to 5X sizing, full bust adjustment included. And there are 3 different views that you can sew. This is the asymmetrical neckline view. This is sort of like a quarter zip, but asymmetrical on the neckline. Then there's also a center front zip, as well as a just a plain front view that you can really just have those princess seam bodice lines really stand out. Now, another option that I think is so cool is pockets. I actually was in a little bit of a hurry when I sewed this one, so I just skipped the pockets and just made it real sleek and easy and quick. And the pockets are on the side seam on the other versions of the pattern, but I just skipped them, and it was not, it made the pattern go so quickly. But if you're looking for a little bit more functionality with your makes, the pockets are available with a welt pocket as well as a zippered pocket. So, you know, you're working out and you want to zip up your keys or your ID or something inside of your pocket. It's all safe and secure. Go on a long bike ride and nothing's falling out. The pockets are also nice and big, so you can fully fit a full-size cell phone in there. So they're wonderful. So this is the Geneva pattern. As soon as I got this fabric in, I sewed it up within hours because I was so excited to make this Geneva in this Techno double knit Cupro fabric. The other thing that you absolutely need to know about this pattern is that it is on sale through Monday, March 31st. The other thing that you need to know is that if you get the full tutorial, the workshop course that goes through every single detail of sewing this pattern, from sizing, fabric, pattern adjustments, everything all together, then you will get the pattern for free. So take a look at the workshop course. If you have any trepidation at all about sewing a pattern that has some complicated parts inside of it, take a look at the course. And now let's talk about today's Feature Friday pattern, the Aurora tunic and dress. Now, I sewed the Aurora using the exact same fabric, this Techno double knit sort of scuba fabric. And a year or so ago when this released, I put out a video explaining how there are so many different patterns that you can use with the scuba like this. So go back and take a look at that if you want more details about the Aurora dress and tunic. Sleek, modern, still has those very similar princess seams. The view that I sewed is with the ruched 3/4 sleeves or elbow length sleeves. The pattern does come in 2 different lengths, in a tunic length and in a dress length. I actually use this for Easter. Those pockets that are embedded into the princess seams, perfect for sticking some Easter eggs in there. So this is great timing to snap this pattern up if you're looking for something fun to make for your Easter or your spring events. And I think the commonality between this pattern and the dress pattern, the Aurora dress pattern, is just that it's sleek, modern, and those style lines are really supported by a fabric like this. Keep in mind that this is the first ever Feature Friday for this pattern, and so this is the first time anybody's been able to get it for this special price. Okay, if you are still looking for fabric for Geneva, please go take a look at Surge Fabric Shop. They have created a variety of kits in all different bases and fabric types that will get you a product that you will love. In today's world where it's hard to find fabric and it's becoming harder by the day, it's amazing to have a one-stop shop that has everything that you need. Kayla said several of the kits have sold out already. This is only day 2 of the release sale. So get over there and get your kit. It has everything you need: interfacing, zippers, thread that's matching perfectly. And she even added a few new styles just as things were selling. So I've linked everything below in the comments. And now let's take a look at what is inside one of the Geneva fabric kits from Surge. Already tell that it is going to be good. When I approached Kayla about doing some kits for this, she was so into it. I thought that she was just going to be doing kits for this type of fabric, but she actually ended up doing a ton of different fabric for all different sorts of bases, like ponte and like a nylon ponte and a twill ponte. She has tons of different versions of fabric that would be perfect for it, and it's got all the extras. So one of the things that I think is challenging about being a sewist right now is sourcing fabric, and so being able to find fabric already set to go with all of the extras that you need is perfect. So this is the Match Peach Performance fabric. This is a fabric that is lightweight, but it's got incredible stretch and recovery. So the kit that she created for me has all the things that you need to make, and it's all in one place. So now that Joann's is not really in the picture for many people right now, where do you run out and get your zippers and matching and all of that stuff? So I love that you can find these all at Surge. just all together. So the pattern, if you're going to be doing the zippers for the pockets, it requires 7-inch zippers. Now you could just use one of these and use it for the asymmetrical neckline. And she also has the full length zipper here that will help you sew the center front zip, but you could even use this fabric, like Tammy used this fabric exactly to sew her version of just the plain front funnel neckline, like just like with the princess seams and no zippers at all. She did a welt pocket with it, so she didn't have all of these extra bells and whistles for her fabric, and it was great, but I can only imagine how much greater it would be with all of the zips and extras inside of it. So I'm giving this fabric kit exactly away to one lucky person who comments on this video. Just give me a comment about literally anything. If you are not into the kit idea and don't need all of these extras with it, and they even have an option to add on interfacing with your kit. If you don't need all of the extras and you're just looking for great athletic fabric, take a look at Serge. They have tons of options. So this video was all about one kind of fabric, two completely different kind of makes, plus an unboxing that you could win. If you'd like to enter the giveaway to win the fabric kit that I unboxed, please leave a comment below about literally anything. What view you'd like to sew of Geneva, what view you want to sew of the Aurora dress. Give me a comment about anything. And inside of the giveaway, I'm also going to include a free copy of the Geneva pattern, as well as enrollment in the full sewing course. So the full sewing course is $25 and the pattern right now is $9.50. The kits range in price from $35 to around $50. And so this is an incredible value. So one person who comments inside of this video will be able to win this really amazing bundle. All I need for you to do is just leave a comment below and help us celebrate this pattern release, an amazing Feature Friday for Aurora, as well as incredible options that are available now to you in the sewing community. Happy sewing, can't wait to see what you make. Oh, and I keep on forgetting to tell people this. Please make sure that if you tackle the Geneva pattern between now and the end of the release, or maybe a few days after the release ends, please tag at Love Notions and use the hashtag SewItFirstLN, because we're entering everybody who does that into a drawing to win a $50 Love Notions credit, just to say thanks for getting excited with us and being the early bird. I know there's so many people who tackle it just like the day they get it. And so we're just excited to celebrate with you as well. So if you tackle this pattern, even if you are just in the cutting out stages, even if you haven't made a complete one yet, if you've started this pattern, grab a quick picture, tag at Love Notions, and use the hashtag SewItFirstLN. Happy sewing. Thanks for hanging out with us here, and make sure that you leave a comment and follow along for more sewing patterns that you will love to sew and wear.